Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode on our channel. In this video, we're gonna take a look at how to add a Twitch link to your TikTok bio. So if this sounds helpful, then make sure you keep watching this video till the end and let's get straight into it. So firstly, you can copy the link to your Twitch, open up your Twitch app, and you can tap on your profile icon on the top left. To be able to get your Twitch link, you'll need to switch to a creator account first. So tap on switch to creator mode. And now you can click on stream manager. Now from here you can tap on this pencil icon. And if you scroll down, you can see you can easily copy the link. Tap on share link to channel. And now you can simply just copy the link. Now after that's done, you can head over to your TikTok app. And after that, you can tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Now to be able to add Twitch links to your TikTok, you'll need to change your account to a business account first. So to do that, you can tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings and privacy. Tap on accounts. And here you'll see an option for switch to business account. You can tap on that. And after your account has been switched to a business account, you can tap on edit profile. Now depending upon your followers, so if you have 1,000 followers, you should be able to see an option called Twitch right here. But it also depends upon the region where you live. Here you'll see an option of website. Here you can easily paste the link to your Twitch account, or you could also see on the socials an option for Twitch.